All right, my name is Anthony Veneziano. I'm from Hackettstown, New Jersey. I found out about Parisi Northwest in Washington through a friend. I spend a lot of my off season here in New Jersey, and I love to come in here to Parisi because of the culture, the environment, all the people in here working, and it's just a great place to really hone in my skills and get ready for the season. I've worked hand in hand with both the Royals trainers and both the trainers here at Parisi, and both of them have done a great job of getting me prepared, getting me on a good schedule, getting me a good routine, and really pushing me to the limits. All the band work that we have, all the weights, the turf field here, it's a great setup, and I'm happy that I found the field house. When I see kids come in here to Parisi, I think they do a great job of showing the kids how to fall in love with sports, how to love the fitness routine, love the grind. It really sets them up for the next level in sports. And I hope that every kid in here has seen that and they continue to fall in love and love the sport world like I do. So this facility here is in a great spot. It's in downtown Washington, and I think it has the perfect amount of space for baseball, for throwing. They have the cages. It really encompasses every athlete. No matter the sport and no matter what level the athlete is at, the field house in Parisi of Washington does a great job of having a program set up for your athlete to make them the best they can be. I want to stay in the world of sports. I want to stay in baseball, and here at Parisi, they do a great job of teaching me about injury prevention, about strength training, about speed and agility, about how to get the most out of your body. So not only am I an athlete here and I train here, I also mentor and do lessons with kids. And it's been incredible the amount of change I've seen in each one of these boys and girls. They've done a great job of getting better athletically, and they've really had a lot of confidence and started to really work towards their goals. There's all this and more at Parisi, northwest of Washington, New Jersey.